name's Wyn Morris. I'm a lecturer in management here at the School of Management Business, and I'm programme leader on two of our Masters in Management variants. This becomes a little bit more focused really to the specialisation that you're doing for. So for example, with the enterprise innovation, we would be doing a module in enterprise innovation. Likewise with the project management, there'd be a module based on that. And then your sort of management reports, or the dissertation element of the course, is also focused towards your specialisation area there. Also you have a module in sort of leadership, and we also have a module with regards to sort of implementation delivery. This is very much overlap sort of supply chain operations. We're working on not just the theoretical and teaching, but also looking at sort of employability skills, so group work, presentations, doing reports, so a lot of collaboration. So quite a mixture of skills which are developed through the modules, which complement each other, but also bring the students and the cohort together as well as a group. So it's not just about individual studies, it's about developing skills, teamwork and group work and presentation, and building networks and learning from each other, as well as learning from us. All these skills and the courses themselves are very much linked to employment opportunities, and good employment opportunities. Within that, there's certainly strengths to having these skills and the experience that is gained throughout the course. We do have quite a diverse cohort who will be going into different fields, and that will come through your sort of specialisation as well, and your sort of your final sort of projects really. We do suggest that people maybe work on an area that is of interest to them, because by collecting data, by going out to companies, it actually gets you a good foot in the door to work in that area. And if you can produce something saying, well, I've already done this research and work in this area, it certainly increases your employability to that industry. What I do find about Aberystwyth is that obviously it's a very safe, very friendly environment. There's a clear desire from staff to see people to do well, to engage. And personally, what I find is that with our alums who have sort of graduated, the experience has been so special. They like to come back and give something back, and I think that tells a story in itself of what an excellent teaching and learning experience they've had.